Hey there, it's Mike here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Clorox Toilet Wand Toilet Cleaning Kit. Now, this is a 3-in-1 starter kit. It's going to have your easy-to-use wand, your wand and refill caddy, and your 6 disposable scrubbing pads. Now, this is what we actually use in our bathroom. So this is something that we've had in here for over a month now. And what you do is you just take this thing out of here, and this is like a little wand that you pull out of here. I'm just going to put my hand down like that. There we go. You pull that out. And then you flip this little thing up here, and inside you have your little pads. Now, the cool thing about this is that you have this little kind of grappling hook that you can just stick that down in there, and you put it right on the little thing. See if I can get it on there. There you go. And if I pull it up, they're all stuck on there. But sometimes they get stuck on there, and I'm gonna leave that in this review just so you can kind of see that, and I'm just gonna pull those ones off. See, but the thing is, I'm not worried. Like, you're like, ew, that's gross. Like, this is a clean area in here. Like, these are all clean, and we don't use these over again. So with these, you have the detergent right inside. So when you stick it in the toilet and you clean your toilet with it, it actually goes and it cleans, and the detergent comes right out of it while you clean it. So you can just wet it up, you clean it, the little detergent comes out as you clean it, and when you're done, you just take this and you open up your trash can, you press this little thing, and the thing just falls off. So it's really easy to use. I'm not gonna waste one for this, but yeah, that's how easy it is to use, and I hope you enjoyed this review.